So hello everyone. This is a video tutorial on how to register yourself in this Pariksha पे Charcha contest 2023. So the last date of submission is 30 December. So when you open the link, you will get this page. So after you click this participate now, you will get all these options for teachers, parents and students can submit the ideas based on the theme which are going to be highlighted. Register yourself through mobile number or email ID. So better you give your mobile number, and against to your mobile number OTP will come. After you enter the OTP, this page is going to come. Right now you can see, so participate as teacher or participate as students based on that. So after that you are going to, your name and your number will be highlighted there. Just you need to give your email ID. Then after that you have to select your gender, your date of birth, which class you study. Then after that your parents' name, then school's name, and then board. Board should be CBSE private school. Then after that the country name and state name. These are all certain things which you easily can understand. And after that a theme option will come, and the theme, this theme is particularly for student. You can see, you can read those themes like know your freedom fighters, our culture is our pride, my book, my inspiration, safe environment for future generation, my life, my health, my startup dream. So these are certain themes based on which you have to write your ideas, you have to write your things. So you can select any one topic. This is just a demo, so I will be selecting my book, my inspiration. Then after that a new section opens. This is the below one where you need to describe your entire theme within 1500 characters. I will give you an idea. First you select your theme, then start writing in a piece of paper. You construct all these things, introductions, then you write the entire body, then conclusions. Then after that you keep that paper on which you have written the entire things beside, and then start typing it the way you type a message. You can use phone, you can either use your laptop. After typing all these things, down below you can see question to Prime Minister. Like submit a question of your choice related to dealing with examination stress that you will like to ask the Prime Minister in not more than 500 characters. So within 500 characters you can ask as much questions on students' perspective, how to deal this stress of examination. So you can have lots of questions that you want to ask directly to the Prime Minister. Great opportunity, children, I tell you. And the format for the teachers are also same, and for the parents are also same. The only difference will be the theme and the questions that you can ask to the Prime Minister directly from this portal. So I believe this is a greatest opportunity whereby we have a chance of expressing our ideas directly to the Prime Minister and the questions we can ask to him. I urge and I pray everybody to participate. So class 9 and 10, entire students are supposed to participate in it, and then teachers are mandatory to participate. I'm going to take this opportunity, and parents do participate in it, because you can now from the parents' perspective put your ideas and share it, and you can ask as much as questions within this 500 words to the Prime Minister directly. So I believe we all will make the education system a better one for this country. So we have this opportunity right now. Let us grasp it and utilize it. The registration has already started, and the last date of submission is 30 December. So though we have time, but still it is quite late right now. Before 30, we should submit it, and let us make some difference.